Does Usain Bolt really have a bad start? We all know Bolt is the greatest finisher of all time, with the big reason being that his legs are longer and his power is superior, but this would be expected, as Bolt is 6'5", but guys his height struggle with getting out of the blocks. Does Bolt have bad starts as well? The truth is that this is a myth, as if you look at first 60-meter all-time splits and a 100 meters race, you will see that Bolt has 4 out of the top 10 of all time. This shows Bolt isn't just a great finisher, he is also a world-class starter.